Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Spivey J and I truly do hope you're having a beautiful day. Let's talk about performance leakage. What's that? That is the silent gap between what you say you want and the habits that are quietly sabotaging it behind the scenes. Performance leakage is simply what happens when your identity rises but your systems don't. So you know you can articulate with ease what it is you're after. And if you're new here, my name is Spivey J, and on my channel we talk about exactly that. We talk about mastering our minds so that we can transform our life, so that we can actually get more fulfillment out of this life. So if you're new here, thank you for joining us today. Be sure to subscribe, be sure to like, be sure to share if you find it resonates with someone you know. Okay, so we're all on this journey together, right? We're chugging choo choo, but there comes a time where you could get to a point where your input isn't matching your desired outcomes. Okay, so for example, if you are posting daily on YouTube, right, or posting wherever, so on the front end, you are putting out the work, you're putting out the content, but you're neglecting your health on the back end. Your health directly supports you, so that's something you should neglect. Or you're staying busy in your business, but you're avoiding those lever moving tasks, those tasks that seem like mountains, creating those SOPs so the people that you work with or yourself know what to follow, so you can kind of streamline certain things. Not updating your website right now, I need to do that. There are so many things, but on the other end, on the outside, staying busy for your business could look like you're sending out your weekly newsletter, but you're also avoiding those admin tasks that are necessary. In conversation, you're talking vision, but you're underperforming in discipline, and you're underperforming in the caliber that you hold. You hold a lot of potential, but you're holding back. And simply, you're just doing enough to feel productive. Like you're moving the train, and it's moving. You're doing enough to feel productive, and you are productive. I'm gonna give you that, but you're not doing enough to expand. And what that means is when your identity is literally being upgraded, I'm talking about turn it up another notch, upgrade it, and it doesn't even sound, look, feel like the notches before, you are going to have to audit and have a high level of self awareness, because you're not going to see a lot of these things because you never had to pay attention to them. On the outside, people are looking at you be productive, right? You're putting the things out there, you're sharing the things out there, but the internal systems, along with the systems and the structure necessary to maintain that, are being neglected, and you're not sharing that part, as you shouldn't, because it's your business. But I mean, like, no one can give you feedback if you are doing so. So I'm speaking directly to you. You have to enhance your self-awareness on a day-to-day basis. You have to reflect on what it is you're actually doing, what it is you're actually outputting. I highly suggest tracking what you do on a day-to-day basis in the areas of your life that you are looking to improve upon. If you're after location, time, financial freedom, you need to create a Google spreadsheet, a note on your phone, and just jot down. And you can even look back at your task list. Am I actually accomplishing the things that I said that I was going to do? If not, you're experiencing a performance leakage, because you're doing all the work that other people can see, but you're not doing the things that's going to expand you. The things that expand you have yet to be automated in your nervous system, so you have to force yourself to do it. Literally, you have to become that person, but you kind of got to remove the thought process that you're forcing yourself to do something because this is what you want to do. You got to actually remove force with the word gratitude. I am so grateful that I get to wake up now and actually input on my business, and work towards building that health and wellness profile that I know I'm capable of achieving, whichever area of your life. I'm so grateful that I get to work on learning about this subject so that I can become an expert in my field. Whatever it is, y'all, we have to be mindful and aware of what it is our inputs are and where our leakages are. Because imagine if you're putting all this in and there's like, is actually a strainer. Like, it's a strainer at the bottom. You're putting all this inside of a bowl, not realizing there are holes. You will feel like it's a waste of time, and you'll get to a point where you feel like you're failing. But the truth is, you aren't failing. You just aren't self-aware. You aren't paying attention. You're only looking at the external validation you've been receiving, not realizing there are some lever moving tasks that I can do for 1 to 2 hours a day that's going to really expand me. That's going to really expand me so much farther along than where I am, than what I've been doing. Then I want you to make sure you don't go into analysis paralysis where you are overthinking all of it. Well, how am I going to add 1 to 2 hours in my day? um figure it out. If you want this new level of living, you're gonna have to figure it out. And I know we are so used to people being so nice to us. Give yourself grace, give yourself time. Absolutely. I agree with that 100%. I am not saying treat yourself like you are unimportant at all. You are the priority. But we have to keep it real with ourselves. And I steer clear of the I don't want to call it toxic positivity, but I steer clear of the things that make me feel good because I do enough of that. I can make myself feel good and justified. I need to also have that same opposite of me to motivate, to get me going when I fall off or when I'm thinking off track or when I'm distracted or when I get away from my discipline, task, away from my level of discipline necessary to complete the task necessary so that I can and you can achieve time, location, financial freedom, which is us building our rich life on purpose, mentally, physically, spiritually, and financially, right? So always give yourself love and grace, but at the same time, you got to give yourself tough love. You have to give yourself tough love. And when you have your self-awareness audits daily, I highly suggest tracking what you do, journaling about it, writing it up, and just observing yourself. Remember, the important part of the scientific method is observation so that you can then change the necessary variables and adjust them so that you can close up those holes in that strainer and reduce performance leakage. Because performance leakage isn't something that's permanent, right? It's just you didn't know, so now you do because the performance leakage occurs quietly. Like I said, in the strainer, you didn't see those small holes at the bottom, but then you became aware of it because you began consistently auditing yourself and reflecting on who you are, just and truly like going in on your self awareness, and that lets you know, well, I'm probably slacking on being productive in the morning because I'm not going to sleep on time the night before, which leads me to rushing in the morning. You see what I'm saying? My missed workouts are taking a toll on me because although those things are important in my health and wellness goals, when I neglect them, they affect my mental. That scrolling you're doing research is cheap dopamine and it's taking you away from being a producer because you're just online consuming, looking for things that really don't fuel you in any type of way. And all of that comfort is disguised as productivity. It is not your fault, but that's why I'm making this video for you and for me. Because there are some holes. There's some holes in the strainer. Holes. There's some holes in the strainer that you didn't know about. We're going to seal them up with our self-awareness. And when you identify those inefficiencies and address them, like you're just building this skill set. Like I don't even think you understand it's the high level caliber that you're building as a soft and hard skill set, but soft in this case, when you can take your self-awareness to a level where you can observe and adjust often, often, because no 2 days are alike. You can have a day where you have high efficiency output and low efficiency output, but each of those days you do something critical. You address any inefficiencies lovingly to yourself, but honestly, and then you adjust accordingly. Okay? So no 2 days are alike. There are literally we're as women, we're literally on 28-day cycles. Okay? So no 2 days are going to be alike. But the part that needs to be alike is when you choose to become self-aware and take action on what it is you find out about yourself, the good and the great, as well as the inefficient and the late. So as you are building your rich life on purpose, just put in the back of your mind, where are my biggest performance leakages right now? Okay. So for me, so right now I have some things that I have to go do because I'm truly talking to me while I talk to you. And I'm learning, but the reading that I'm doing and the essay writing that I'm doing on neuroscience, psychology, so many different things, and so many other subjects that are interconnected and interrelated that I truly enjoy learning about. I'm like taking heed on my own advice, and I like to share it as I'm learning and to come back with results. So that's who we are. If you are interested in building more momentum in your life, be sure to check out the links in the description. I created a few challenges specifically for my procrastinators, overthinkers, my fearful, my fear led, and for anyone who is so confused about what it is she should be doing because there are just too many options. Be sure to check those links out. I would truly appreciate you all spending time with me today. My name is Spivey J, and I hope your day continues to be beautiful. My name is Spivey J, and I hope you have a beautiful day. All right, peace.